Ngayon guys, tuturuan ko kayo ng hammer face aerobic exercise. Gawin nyo lang exercise guys ito. Ito guys, left sideward, right sideward ang movement. So guys ha, 1, ayan, 2, ganyan guys. Tapos lagyan mo ng twisting, yan. Yan guys. O ngayon ganito. Guys. Yan. Movement. Side, vertical. Downward. Yan guys. Aerobic yan guys. Tapos guys, o ganito. Yan. Yan exercise nyo. Yan. Vertical. Upward. Yan. O, ganyan guys. Meron pa yan. Hammer din yan guys. O, baba. O. Yan guys. Kung bilisan nyo guys. O, ayan. Yan guys. Bilisan. Gawin nyo guys. Ganyan guys. Ang paa nyo guys. Yan. Para kayong nagsasayaw. Lagyan nyo ng ganyan guys. Yan. Okay guys. Aerobic exercises. Hammer press. Asa! 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 Ha! Yan guys.